Hey there, Anna Malimon here. Today, I want to give you one of the best tools you can use to help you stay focused, and that is asking yourself this one question: why am I doing this? So, when you know the deep down inside why you're doing this, who you're doing this for, so those are like questions. The best way is to question yourself. Why are you doing this? Who are you doing it for? What is the purpose of you doing this? So, like, all these questions will help you narrow down and get very crystal clear on why you're doing this. What's the purpose? Because the person behind the camera that's looking for the solution that you're providing, that's, the bigger, I guess it kind of sums up everything, and it should help you focus and motivate you and give you that that you need to help the person that is seeking your information. And so when you're going in with this, with this kind of, I guess I don't really even know how to explain this feeling, but it definitely motivates you and it definitely helps you stay focused because you know exactly why you're doing this, who you're doing this for, and all of this information, and those questions are clear in your mind. Then it helps you stay focused. It helps you be motivated. So not only are you focused, you're also motivated at the same time because you want to keep going. You want to keep providing the solution. You want to help change lives. You want to help impact lives. And when you are able to focus, you're able to provide the solution, focusing on who you're doing this for, who's behind that camera, who's behind, whatever you're providing, the product or service that you're selling, that you're offering, whatever you're doing. So make sure that you know the answer to those questions, that when you are questioning yourself, you're crystal clear on exactly what solution you're providing, who it is for, why you're doing this, what is it that is, that motivated you to start doing this in the first place. Don't ever forget that, because that's going to be your motivating factor. That's going to help you stay focused and create better things, create things that are much more profound. And sometimes you can wonder, like, wow, where did I find this creativity? But the more you do things, the more creative you're going to become, the more confident you're going to become, and the more focused you will be able to be, because you know exactly what you're doing, what you're after, and all that. So I really hope this information helped you and brought you a little bit of value for today. So stay awesome, God bless, and have an amazing day. And this beautiful girl wants to join me in my videos because she knows that Mama is making a difference. She's providing the info that is needed for those people that are listening to me, right? To us, right, Lala? I call her Lala, my baby. Her name is Anella, and she does watch Mama do her videos all the time. So sorry to keep this a little bit longer, but God bless, stay awesome, and I hope that you can stay focused and get all your questions crystally answered clearly in your head. All right, see you later.